April 2024, 3:27 p.m. Nutritionist Kelly Rodriguez was staring at her waitlist. 47 people waiting 4 to 6 months just for an initial consultation. She'd just told someone, "My next opening is August, 5 months from now." Dead silence. Then, "I can't wait 5 months, I'll find someone else." Here's the crazy part. Kelly only had 15 active clients. She was turning away 20+ people monthly because creating personalized meal plans took 6 to 8 hours each. 6 months later, 80 clients, $16,000 a month instead of $3,000. And clients saying their plans felt more personalized than ever. So how did she scale without sacrificing quality? Let me show you. Part 1. The Trap. March 2024. Kelly ran a nutrition practice specializing in prediabetes, PCOS, thyroid issues, and insulin resistance. She charged $200 a month per client for custom meal plans, macro tracking, and weekly check-ins. 15 clients x $200, $3,000 a month. But those 15 clients required 41 hours weekly just for ongoing maintenance. Add new client onboarding, she was working 55 60-hour weeks. Here's why she couldn't scale. Every client was completely different. Client A, pre-diabetic, vegetarian, histamine intolerance, hates mushrooms. Client B, PCOS, keto, dairy-free, loves meal prep. Client C, hypothyroid, gluten-sensitive, needs quick meals. Generic templates didn't work. She'd tried them. Clients didn't follow plans that didn't fit their lives. True personalization equals results, but it also equals helping only 15 people at a time. That phone call on April 15th changed everything. A woman with prediabetes needed help now. Kelly's next opening, 5 months away. I specifically want to work with you. Everyone says you actually customize plans, but 5 months is too long. I'm sorry. Click. Kelly thought, I'm helping 15 people while 50+ desperately need help. This is backwards. That evening, a friend suggested, what about AI for meal planning? Kelly's immediate reaction. That sounds like exactly the generic template problem I'm avoiding. Part 2. The Test. April 16, 2024. Kelly Googled AI nutrition meal planning. What she found confirmed her fears. Generic meal plans ignoring individual needs. Sample plan, Greek yogurt with berries, grilled chicken salad, salmon with quinoa. Kelly thought, AI can't understand that my histamine-intolerant client can't eat fermented yogurt. But the next day, while spending hour 3 of 7 on a complex meal plan, a thought hit her. What if I gave AI all the specific information? Not make a meal plan, but make one for this person with these needs. April 18th. The Experiment. Kelly tested AI on her most complex client, pre-diabetic vegetarian with histamine intolerance working night shifts. She opened ChatGPT and wrote an extremely detailed prompt with 15-20 specific data points: health conditions, food restrictions, work schedule, budget, cooking skill, preferences, goals. 90 seconds later, a complete 7-day meal plan appeared. Every meal, avoided all histamine triggers, hit macro targets for blood sugar, timed for night shift schedule, within cooking skill level, fresh prep only. But here's what shocked her. AI included recommendations she hadn't asked for. Magnesium glycinate, 200 ml at 7 a.m. before sleep, supports insulin sensitivity and sleep quality after night shifts. 5-hour gaps between meals optimize insulin response for prediabetes. Kelly checked the research. The recommendations were evidence-based and accurate. She spent 2 hours reviewing and making 3 minor tweaks. Total time, 2.5 hours versus 7+ hours from scratch. April 19th. She sent the plan to her client. Next day, Kelly, this is incredible. I've never had a meal plan that actually fits my life. The plan worked. The client felt seen. And Kelly created it in 1/3 the time. Part 3. The Transformation. May 2024. Kelly's meal plan creation dropped to 2.5 hours per client. She could now onboard 6 clients monthly instead of 2 to 3. She contacted her waitlist. Started with people who'd been waiting longest. By June 12, new clients added. Total of 27 clients, $5,400 month. Client feedback? Most personalized meal plans I've ever received. Wait, she was helping almost twice as many people. How were plans more personalized? Here's what changed. Before AI, 7 hours creating from scratch. By hour 6, mentally exhausted, rushed through details. After AI, 90-second draft, 2 hours reviewing with fresh energy, time to add education and context. Example, AI generates chickpea scramble with turmeric. Kelly enhances chickpea scramble with turmeric. The protein stabilizes blood sugar. Turmeric supports insulin sensitivity. If still hungry, add 1 of 4 avocado, but watch histamine tolerance. Keeps you satisfied, 5+ hours. She wasn't just listing meals, she was educating. By September, 58 clients in 35 hours weekly. Compare that to 15 clients in 55 hours before October. Kelly spoke at a nutrition conference. Q&A. If you're using AI, how is it personalized? Aren't you automating custom work? Kelly. AI doesn't replace personalization, it enables it at scale. I give AI 15 to 20 specific data points. AI generates the starting point. Then I add my expertise, review accuracy, add metabolic context, educate clients. My clients get more personalization because I'm not exhausted from starting every plan from scratch. After her talk, 8 nutritionists wanted to learn her system. November, Kelly reached 80 clients, $16,000 a month. She capped at 80 by choice and raised rates to $250 a month. Not because of workload, because she wanted to maintain quality and energy. Part 4. The Tools and Lessons. Kelly's Toolkit. ChatGPT Plus, $20 to monthly. Canva Pro, $13 to monthly. Total AI cost, $33 monthly. The Transformation. Before AI, 15 clients, $3,000 month, 55-60 hours week, 7 hours per meal plan. After AI, 80 clients, $16,000 month, 40-45 hours week, 2.5 hours per meal plan for $33 a month. 4 lessons for you. 1. Personalization isn't about starting from scratch. It's incorporating specific details that matter. You have more energy for depth when you're not exhausted from creation. 2. AI needs comprehensive input. Generic prompt, generic plan. 15 to 20 specific data points. Personalized plan. 3. Review time is more valuable than creation time. Your expertise lives in review and context, not typing recipes. 4. More clients doesn't mean less personalization. Kelly's 80 clients get more detail than her original 15. Energy for depth beats exhaustion from starting over. Kelly Rodriguez had a 47-person waitlist and could only help 15 people. She spent 7 hours per meal plan because she refused to use generic templates. Then she spent 3 weeks testing if AI could create personalized plans without becoming the problem she was avoiding. She discovered, when you give AI 15-20 specific data points, it creates personalized starting points. With expert review, plans become more detailed than manual creation. 6 months later, 80 clients, $16,000 a month, working fewer hours. Clients saying these are the most personalized plans they've experienced. What changed? She stopped believing personalization required starting from scratch every time. AI creates personalized starting points. She adds expert refinement. Scale happens naturally. If you're turning away clients because personalization takes too long, AI won't give you generic templates. With the right input, it gives you personalized starting points you refine with expertise. Personalization and scale aren't enemies. Starting from scratch is, hit subscribe for tomorrow's transformation story, and drop a comment. How many people are you turning away because you can't scale personalization?